Doing a review on 12 gram BBs and 20 gram BBs and the comparison between like hits, more powerful, the speed, and I'm gonna show you what ammo I'm using. I am using the white's 20 gram, the black is 12 gram. And first I will be shooting with the 12 grams, and then I will try 20 grams and see how it all works out. Seems like there's a bigger impact, but not it's not nearly as strong. All right, so here it goes. Full auto. This is what happened with 12 grams. They definitely went a lot faster, but didn't seem to make as much impact as the 20 grams. Went through pretty good. But 20 grams definitely made a lot bigger hit, hurt the paper, and a lot better aim. They don't curve as much, which I really can't try out in my room because it's not that far away. But yeah, these definitely tougher in the back too. Came out with more power than these. $20 grams, 12 grams. I mean, 20 grams are a little more, but if you're like having a war outside or something, I'd say it's worth it. It's a lot more accurate, and well, if your gun doesn't go over 250 feet per second, I wouldn't recommend them because pretty much you're just gonna roll out of your barrel. But if they do, I'd recommend 20s. That's just my opinion. Alright, well, this was just a little review of 12 grams and 20 grams. This is Fuse. I'll see you later.